question is given 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is equal to 2.5. Here we have to find out the value of x. How we can find out the value of x in this equation? Let's see solution. Two power x plus 2 power minus x is equal to 2.5. This is question. So we can write this one 2 power x plus 2 power minus x. This 2 power minus x we can write 1 upon 2 power x is equal to 2.5. Now let's consider 2 power x is equal to y. This is equation number 1. Now we have to substitute 2 power x is equal to y here in this equation. So y plus 1 upon 2 power x is y is equal to 2.5. Now y plus 1 upon y is equal to, this is 2.5, this 2.5 we can convert into fraction form, then we will get here 5 by 2. Now taking LCM here we will get y, here it will become y square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Now we are doing cross multiplication. So 2 times y square plus 1 is equal to 5 times y or 5y. Now 2y square plus 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to 5y. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. So here you can see we got one quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this equation. So we can write this one 2y square minus 5y. So this minus 5y we can write minus 4y minus y. Minus 4 minus 1, it will become minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2y, we can take common here 2y, right? So we are taking common 2y. So y minus 2. 2y square and 2 2s are 4y. Now here y minus 2 is equal to 0 and here it will become minus 1. So minus y minus and minus it will become plus. So here it will become 2. Now y minus 2, this one, and 2y minus 1. 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we got two equations. First one is y minus 2 is equal to 0, or next one is 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore we can say y is equal to 2, or here 2y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1 by 2. So we got total two value of y. First one is y is equal to 2 and next one is y is equal to 1 upon 2. But we have to substitute value of y is equal to 2 power x according to equation 1, because we already considered that y is equal to 2 power x. So we have to consider in these two equation. Now substitute here y is equal to 2 power x, right, is equal to 2 from equation 1. So we can say 2 power x is equal to 2. If 2 power x is equal to 2, so we can consider here power 1. Therefore, comparing base and power, we will get here x is equal to 1. So value of x is equal to 1. First value we can say x1 is equal to 1. Now here y is equal to 1 by 2. This is another equation. So we can write here y is equal to 2 power x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 power x is equal to 1 by 2, or we can say 2 power x is equal to, this is 1 by 2, so we can write 2 power minus 1. Now comparing base and power, comparing base and power. If base is same, so power will be also same. Therefore, we can consider here x is equal to, we can say x is equal to minus 1. So this is the x2. So in this way, we got here two value of x. First one x1 and next one is x2 is equal to 1 and minus 1. Now we have to verify is this correct or not. So let's verify this value. If x is equal to 1. So question is 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is equal to 2.5. Now 2 power x. 2 power x, so here x is 1. 2 power 1 plus 2 power minus x. Minus 1 question mark 2.5. 2 power 1 is 2 plus 2 power minus 1. It will become 1 by 2 question mark 2.5 in fraction form, it will become 5 by 2. Now we are taking LCM, so 2 2 is 4 plus 1 question mark 5 by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So we can say therefore here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x is equal to 1. This is correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. And similarly you can check for x is equal to minus 1. That is another solution. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Thank you.